In this video, we're installing Porsche's Sport Lip on our 991.1. We picked it up from Suncoast Porsche Parts and we're excited. We're gonna show you how to install it, so let's get started. So we're gonna need a T25 Torx adapter or socket, and we have some trim tools as well. And then if you look at our lip right here, we're gonna need our T25 right here. And the crazy thing is we already replaced a lip like this on our Porsche GT4 and it seems very similar. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go underneath here, right there, and we're gonna take off that screw. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take off the screw on the other side. The other side had one screw, this one has two screws. Okay, so the lip is designed to slide off, and the way it should slide off, it should slide off to the right, but the way they designed it is that it slides on to the left for install, and then you're supposed to be able to slide it off to the right once you remove the screws. And it's off. All right, now it's time to remove this part, and there's no extra screws or bolts. Now looking underneath the car on the right side, so I just put this in here and just went forward like this, and that part popped right off. And now we should be able to pull it over here and it just comes right off. All right, and for installation, we're gonna start right here on the right side, and we're gonna put these tabs inside here, kind of get everything to line up. And then we're gonna start popping stuff in once we hear a pop. All right, that was a nice little pop. And now we're gonna lift it up. We're just gonna start popping it in. And then we're gonna go underneath this side. And that is popped in there. And it is installed. Literally a pop-in upgrade. And if you're wondering if this piece goes back on, it doesn't. So you should have two pieces when you're done. And guys, this is a big improvement. I was like on the fence, but in real life, this changed the front end. This gives it just, it makes it honestly perfect. And so this is how it looked before and now how it looks after. All right, guys, if this install video helped you out, hit the like button. Make sure you check out our other 991.1 modification and maintenance videos. We have a whole playlist.